Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Johnyshwa. Today we are at Homedale High School and we are making ramen. So very exciting to see what's going on. We have a couple students here working on our dough. We're using 400 grams of bread flour, 100 grams of rye flour. We then have 200 grams of water, 5 grams of salt, and 5 grams of baking soda. This is a very dry dough. Mike, let's see if we can get that attached a little bit better down bottom because it's moving around so much. Rolling our dough through our pasta machine. This is a very difficult dough to work with, very dry, and you'll see a lot of cracking the first couple times it's going through. Students had rolled the dough out and helped the dough along to really fit through. So we're going to roll our dough through, and as you can see, we really see that darker color. And that's coming for our rye flour. Now, our rye flour does not have any gluten, believe it or not. But the rye flour is going to add a lot of flavor, and it helps to make a stiffer, drier dough because it's a whole grain. It really absorbs a lot of water. It makes the dough a little bit difficult to work with, but I think in the end, we're going to be very happy with our final product. Working over in our pot over here, we have a chili eggplant sofrito. And we cooked 2 cups of onions, melted down. To that, we added half an eggplant, about 1.5 cups. Cooked that down. Then today, we added how much tomatoes?
2 large tomatoes.
So we added 2 large tomatoes, approximately, what do you think? 1.5 cups or so?
Yeah.
Something in that range. About 1.5 cups of tomato. And then we seasoned this with what, Paris? What did we season this with? What was that spicy pepper? That chipotle. Right, so we're making our chipotle Mazemen ramen. As you can see, we have our recipe right here. And this is the chicken katsu chili eggplant Mazemen ramen. We're working on our breading over here. You see, we're working on the chicken katsu. And the chicken katsu uses panko breadcrumbs. We have our chicken cut on a bias. And we're using a mallet to pound that out. And then we're following the standard breading procedure. Right, first dredging in flour, then coating in egg, and then in our breadcrumbs. And what was the key to our egg? What did we make sure that we did to our egg?
It was like frothy.
Yes, very important. The egg is frothy, right? If the egg is frothy, it's going to stick, and it's not going to create any issues. Thank you very much. Looking really great. So we're working very hard today on our chili eggplant Mazemen ramen. This is a tribute recipe to Ivan Orkin, Ivan Ramen. This is his recipe that we are recreating in the class, and we'd all like to thank Chef Ivan. We can tag him in the video for today. So that's it for today. We'll pick up tomorrow, and we'll show you the assembly of our chicken katsu chili eggplant Mazemen ramen. Till tomorrow, thank you everybody, and have a great day.